Welcome to Ganga Valley Farming. So today I will be talking about this beautiful farm and its farming. Well, a good farm is that which is well managed and sustainable. While roaming around the farming area of Bali, we got chance to see this beautiful farm which is known as Ganga. As the name of the farm Ganga is familiar to our ears, so does the cultures and the art of living. The living style is kind of similar to our snippet society. That is why I wonder what they basically do which makes them develop faster than us. And the basic is just in front of you. Look how simply they have created this beautiful world, a beautiful space for themselves. Not all the farms are still and peaceful, but when you look around, you can see so much of serenity, peace, cleanliness, and much over the freshness, from which we can learn so